What's going on, guys? Billy here with billyshultzmusic, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Rodeo by Lil Nas X and Cardi. If you're new here, please click that subscribe button, and if you do, turn on notifications, that way you never miss a new tutorial, or else I will drop kick your next pizza delivery man. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories, so if you want some free stuff, stick around to the end of the video. I get into all the giveaway stuff there, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. This country banger is in standard tuning, and if you need the tab, as always, I will have it in the description for you below. So once you get done with the video, check out the tab at the bottom of the description if you need it. For now, you're going to start out with just your low E string, and you're picking it in a down, down, up, 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 down way. It looks like down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. And you're doing that for 4 counts. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you're going to go to 1 on your low E string. You're doing that down, down, up, down 3 times here. 1, 2, 3. Then you're going 3rd fret low E string, pick it, slide it up to your 5th fret on the low E string, pick the 3rd fret on your A string, back to the 5th fret on your low E string. That little segment looks like down, down, up, down, down, up, down. So 1, 2, 3. So you're picking on the 3rd, sliding it to the 5th, pick A string 3rd fret, low E string 5th fret. So all together, from the start to this point, looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Then you're going back to the 3rd fret on the low E string for 2 counts of the down, down, up, down picking. So 1, 2. Back to the 1st fret on the low E string for 2 counts of the down, down, up picking. 1, 2. And then open again for 2 counts of the down, down, up picking. 1, 2. And then after that, you're going to this little riff right here. That's 2 on the D string, hammer on to 3, pull back off to 2, pull off to open, pick again, pull off to open. So pick, hammer, pull off, pick, pull off. Pick, hammer, pull off, pick, pull off. So all together slowly, this crazy shit looks like this. So you could play that throughout the entire song if you wanted to, but there is another guitar part that's a little bit easier that you can also play. It's using the chords E major. It's going to be 0, 2, 2, 1, 0, 0. If you need these chord diagrams, you can find them in the free ebook that's in the description below. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. So if you need the diagrams, jump in the description, get the free ebook. All the major chord diagrams are in there, but this is an E major, 0, 2, 2, 1, 0, 0. Then F major, 1, 3, 3, 2, 1, 1. And then a barred G major, it's going to be 3, 5, 5, 4, 3, 3. Now they're simply picking through these chords, and it's going to be the same picking pattern over and over again. It's just E, D, G, D through each one. And you're starting on your E chord. It's going to be, you pick through that twice. So 1, 2, switch to your F for 2, 1, 2, G for 1 count, back to F for 1 count, back to E for 2 counts. And then that starts all over. So what that entire guitar part looks like all together looks like this. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories. All you gotta do to enter is subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, like this video, and then leave a comment down below with a song that you would like me to teach you on guitar. Now the way it's gonna work is each month I'm picking 2 winners. One is gonna win a guitar accessories kit that comes with a capo, guitar strap, guitar picks, everything that you need as a beginner, intermediate, or advanced player will be in that kit. The second place winner is going to win a free merch bundle from the channel, and then when the channel hits 50,000 subscribers, I'll be picking one of you guys to win that free brand new acoustic guitar. So again, all that you have to do to enter is subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, leave a like on this video, and leave a comment down below with the song that you guys want me to teach you on guitar. Again, I can't thank you guys enough. Your support has been incredible, and I can't explain how much it really means to me, so thank you guys so much for all the support. I really enjoy helping you guys learn these songs that you want to play on the guitar. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave those in the comment section below. I will have the rules to the giveaway in the description below, along with the free ebook that will always still be there. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Always free. It'll always be in the description, along with any tabs that might be for the video. So again, if you need anything, have any questions, my personal email address is in the description below, or leave your questions in the comment section. We'll see you guys in the next video.